Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to replace the tail lamp assembly. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So the net hook, this is a different style here. This centerpiece right here is a push button, so when you push in on that, the clip comes right out. Move our way down over here. And the last one. Now we can access this inner. So now we have access to the right rear tail lamp assembly. I'm going to disconnect the electrical connectors to the bulb sockets. Pushing in on the tabs and pulling out the connectors. Now I can really easily see my mounting screws, or nuts, 3 of them. That's going to be a 10mm socket. So there's 4 total, and there's 1 hidden behind this harness clip. Take that harness clip off. You can see there's an actual cover here that covers the one of the mounting bolts. So I'm going to pop that cover off with a little pocket screwdriver. And then there's the actual mounting bolts, 10mm socket. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and then we're going to raise the vehicle up. I'm going to undo 2 of these body clips. There's one just like this on the other side. Pull that one down, and then this one. Then we're going to have some mounting bolts that are 10mm socket. I'm going to disconnect those. You have one on 10mm socket screw and right here behind the tire. And there's one on the other side. We're going to do the same to that side. So there's going to be 1 mounting bolt in each fender well in this location. It's for the rear bumper cover. 10mm socket. Now we're going to grab the bumper cover firmly in the fender well and pull it out of the trim clips. And follow yourself all the way around to the other side. Do the same over here. Now we can grab the tail lamp assembly and pull it straight out. So make sure that the old foam piece, make sure you peel that off. Here we have our brand new tail lamp assembly from 1A Auto, and here we have the factory tail lamp assembly from our 2013 Camry. You can see they get the same design. Comes with the actual blinker and stop light. Turn it around. We supply the bulbs with the sockets on this model. New inlay studs in the plastic and a new weather foam strip. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Now I'm going to install the new tail lamp assembly. I'm going to line up the actual mounting studs into the existing body holes. And it's going to feel like it's not seating correctly, but that's because the new foam piece hasn't been seated yet. So just hold on to it firmly, and then you can mount the actual nuts on the studs. And as you tighten this up, it'll pull it in and let that seal seat properly. I'm going to go from the center out. That way I'm pulling the assembly in, and it's not at an angle. It won't be crooked on the body. Just snug them. Double check all of them once they all are tightened down. Now you can look at your trim line, see how it sits inside the body fender. It's nice and flush. Sits right in there. So this is the actual tail lamp bulb connector. Then we have the marker light. Then we have the actual blinker. Don't forget to put this harness on that mount on that stud. Now you're going to put the inner trunk skirt together, and I'm going to lift up on that plastic piece. Line this all up. It'll fall right back into place easily. You take the hook. I'm going to line that one up first. Snap that right in. Then I've got one trim piece here. Then two more right here. So I'm going to be lining up these little push clips in with the tail lamp eyelet things. Eyelet things, that's what I'm going to call them. Follow that trim right around. Follow the piece right around this side. I'm going to throw these mounting bolts in the back here, both sides, before the bumper cover decides to fall back off. It's held on by mostly just push style body clips. So you're going to line up the cover. There we go. I'm going to put the screw back up in the fender well. That's a 10mm socket. Snug that down. This mounting screw. There's one in each fender well. Right behind the tire. Now we're going to put our 4 bolts in these undercarriage area. Snug them up, and the last 2 clips are these body clips right here. Slide them right through that bracket. Lock them.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.